Like that diamond shouldn't have come in. Just anybody can tab and.
Living Bomb also knocks mages.
Oh, nice.
No. Corruption.
Yes.
I thought I had to get the Fire Blast ring.
Longer pull timers.
No.
Counterspell will knock. Anything knock.
Yes. Oh, that just oh. Yeah, so just throw a Living Bomb on it. Really? Fuck this game.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
First trap's coming out here. Get ready.
Oh my god.
Popping it in 3, 2, 1.
It's over.
Far left. Watch flames.
My trinkets hate me, man. Like, what the fuck is it? Solace is so dumb.
Maybe it'll proc by secondary.
Oh my god, it procced. Like, right after everything faded.
But of course.
I'm gonna be holding on DPS anyways.
I still don't know.
Right in the middle.
Waiting on nothing actually. We're popping this in 3, 2, 1.
It's pretty close overlap with Wrath.
We have 3 seconds. Top the raid in 3 seconds, right?
There's a way.
Not bad, but you know, get people high enough. Floater's right. Sonal and me left. Pretty much just stun one Sonal and then I think that should be enough.
I'm gonna grip the back one.
Watch that close one. Right side. Up to the front one. Thank you. Restack.
Your trap come up top.
Do the one on the left or the front.
Go. Go green. Right back on blue.
Right here. Just on the smidge to the right of purple.
Very good. Watch that trap during the dance.
Oh my god.
They're really bad.
Yeah, please dance on the far left. Out. In. Watch the
Air.
thing.
There's one more.
Yeah, get ready to. This might be an inside.
It was weird. Okay, we're gonna pop that one here.
Oh, what?
What the fuck?
Get on purple, please.
Okay.
We're popping this in 3, 2, 1.
We're ready for fuckery.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's that third one we should probably wait.
You ready to run? Go.
Right here. We're pretty much on yellow.
Watch wave. Okay. Get to a safe spot. Watch that puddle, and you're dancing. Just dance safe.
In. And that was great. In.
Okay, get ready to get off the boss when I call it.
We're gonna do that next one now. Go ahead and pop it. We're ready. Yep. We have another one. We'll do that on the far side.
Move. Get off the boss. Get off the boss. Get off the boss. Off, 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 off. Do these seeds. Res her quick.
Right here.
Very good. Get
We're
ready to
on the
rebuff.
left. We're on the left of
Quick
purple.
rebuff. Get off the boss. Get off the boss.
You're just doing seeds.
Very good. Wait, 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 wait. Get him.
Push it. We're gonna do that last trap the same way we did the one on last ball. We're gonna do it after the scions. We're gonna group up. So be ready to group up. As for this phase, just be aware of it. Floaters right. Me and Sonal left here. I think that should be enough yet.
You got the next trap, Ty.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a. Skull's gonna be on the right here. It's in the back right.
There's one.
Hit that front one. Hit that front one.
Yeah.
Get Skull to
There's a
50.
Close
And then
swing
grip it.
On left.
There's no grip for that one, so just kill it.
Hard
I got
swap.
it.
Hard swap. Single target it. Get it to 50. Knock it. Good. Get it to 50 and get off it. Get off Skull. Get off Skull. Don't cleave. Leave Skull. Stop hitting it.
Hit Scion on the left side.
Single target the flames. Single target them. We need another knock. Another knock. Sound on Skull. Get it away. Get it away. Anything. Hits it. Perfect. Beautiful. We're hitting silence
Okay.
here.
You're hitting Scion, and you're gonna stay grouped up here because we're gonna do
Get out
the
with those.
trap after this happens anyway. We have 5 seconds before we have to kill that.
Yep, I got it.
Okay.
This-
All right, stay grouped up. Get ready for trap.
Lust. Second pot if you have procs.
We're popping this trap in 3, 2, 1. We don't have anyone over there.
I
Here we go.
hit flame trap thing.
He's running.
It's okay. The cooldown stayed. All right, now you can spread back out. Watch for the
Wait.
waves. We have flames in 10, meteor in 20.
Get out with the heat. Okay, no greaves. Get out with that boot away if you have it.
Save your AMSs for the heat. A cloak also will get rid of the heat.
We're dancing.
In. Out. In.
Watch meteors, waves on the right. Let them run to the side if they're hitting someone over there. Watch that puddle. You're dancing soon. Dancing.
Out. In.
Watch waves.
Out.
Dancing.
In. Taunt. I'm retarded.
Got it.
At 3. Watch waves. Potential dance here. Okay, start kind of kiting these to the back.
We have one more flames. Wait for the flames.
We should beat it though. I think we beat this every time if we're doing it properly, like right now. Just kite these to the back if you have it. Yeah, I mean, we can fix it anyway. Just
This
knock
needs to be-
these.
Okay, yeah,
AG
that's
mode
fine.
now.
Just get inside and knock these. So when they freeze, they can go. Yep. Beautiful.
Yeah,
I
just
don't
knock
think
them towards. Yep.
Yeah, just knock and keep
That
knocking
one
them.
needs to be knocked like to the left, not that way, but keep knocking it.
Okay, we're pumping here. I will call the meteor that's going in. If you have the other one on, you just run out and run it the fuck away. Just clear comms. Hold Dread Flames though.
Frost patch 1.
Here we go, we're watching. It's over near Diamond. Save boots, but get to Diamond.
Save your cooldowns for the meteor too.
Okay, get in. Just kite these out. We have 30
Spam
seconds
knocking
to
these.
kill
Casters, you're spam knocking these. And if it's getting too close, you're gonna have to walk out with it for a little bit.
There's fire on the patch.
Yeah, it's right on the bosses.
There's another one. There's another one. Okay, we have 8 seconds. Diamond will come in. Circle will stay out. Diamond will come in. Circle will stay out. Diamond will hit it. Okay, you ready? Let Diamond come in now. Let Diamond come in now.
Circle needs to be
You have
good.
to knock and it's on a
Okay, Circle's coming in. Circle's coming in. Just knock Diamond. Just let Circle come all the way through.
Okay,
Step
move
off.
out of the patch. Move out of the patch. Don't get bowled over.
Smoke this. Smoke this.
Switch moves.
Healing cooldowns. Hellstones if you're low. Keep knocking Diamond away. And then we're booting all the way to Star. Everybody boot. Go, 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 go. Get there. Back in the patch. And we're back on the boss here. Good.
If we do that one more time, 3. We're gonna have to knock this for a while. We don't have a breath for 13. Empowered is in 20.
Spam knock. Spam knock.
I see.
Someone's gonna cut it.
Yep.
Yeah, it's breath. It was.
Frost
13.
patch 3.
Here we go.
All right, it's coming out
Let
now.
it come in. Let it come in.
Yeah, Drift Flame on the boss.
Let this come in.
It's on the
Let
left.
the meteor come.
Yeah, meteor's coming in.
Wait, we'll step out
Make
late.
sure you
Just
give.
wait.
Yeah, just give.
Okay,
the
everybody step out
meteor
together.
room.
Step out.
Don't get too horny. Wait for it to be an icicle.
Frank
Hit
this
it.
thing.
Hit it. Hit it. This thing dies in 7 seconds, and this fight should be pretty much free. The only thing that we can mess up
Wait.
from here on is Dread Flame.
Holy
Where are we going?
Move to the new patch.
Red
Re-
flame is by
regroup,
the new
yeah.
path.
Yeah, we have a Dread Flame by the new patch. It's not under us, but there's one spawning right behind us, sort of by the entrance.
How's mana?
The next patch is in
Frost patch 4.
1
Means for you
minute.
killers.
I can
Oh,
tide.
sorry. That's 4. We don't need to go to it though. So you're gonna want to hunters. You're gonna want to keep that one clear a little bit. Somebody needs to keep ours clear. Obviously, there's nothing on us right now.
No, if it's on the other side.
And the most important thing is you have to try to clear that trap, hunters. Clear that trap. Give Milf a path here. This is gonna be like huge heals on Milf. Milf's walking into the Dread Flame. Big heals on Milf. Big heals on Milf. He's out of range. Like you're gonna have to walk over there to him. Melee, you can chase the boss right here. Just don't get too many stacks. Yeah, actually move to the new one, Melee.
Should
Keep
everyone
cranking.
move? Should we all move?
Yeah.
Hey, we should all move.
Fire
Just
northwest is
Frost
back.
patch 5.
So hunters, do you see blue, right under the boss? You're clearing around us right now. This is the new home.
There's a patch right behind it too.
Is that a medium?
Just,
Oh,
Where's the new route is going to be really important to clear.
Patch right in front of us.
Yep, pump.
Okay, the next frost patch is
Right
right
behind
on.
him.
We have
Can I get
okay.
flames
So
up?
clear that route and clear a little bit farther because Milf's going to have to go farther than that route to taunt him. You have Dread Flame right on.
The
Everybody,
new one is
move
right behind it.
Inch
Yeah,
on block.
go back, range. Patch behind.
Do not be to the left side of this patch. Like box is safe. We have Dread Flame under the raid.
Place a banner.
Low end.
Frost
Low
patch
end.
6.
I don't have link.
Use
I don't have
barrier.
link.
Use barrier and
Barrier.
link. Step in the zone.
Place a banner. Place a banner.
We're moving to this new patch over here. Walk back.
8 seconds.
I need hunters around us. Hunters, I need you around us right now.
We're running.
Okay, okay.
It's dead.
GG.
Let's
boys.
fucking go, dude.
Gamers.
there we go.
Did someone place a banner? though?
With the
Hey!
full 25 people up.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Oh my god!
Fuck
Look.
yeah.
Oh my god! Oh.
There
Our
we
first
go.
time I'm killing all the literally shaking.
Good job.
All right, see you guys in MOP.
Bye.
Who's
Later,
my
nerd.
singers?